I'm starting the vlog in the kitchen, and that probably means I'm cooking something, but it's something that we all love. Maggi. So it's been like what, over a year, more than that, since I haven't bought the normal Maggi. I always use the आटा Maggi now when I'm home. But अभी देहरादून बाहर कहीं पे जाते हैं तो वो normal Maggi होती है, so तभी खा लेती हूँ मैं. But घर पे it's always आटा Maggi. So I just thought I should just give this one also a try. It's the new masala oats noodles. So let's go ahead and try this out and see how it is. Who knows? It will be amazing and healthy as well. It's not exactly healthy, but still better than the normal Maggi. So yeah, let's go ahead and make it. Oh, this is so darker compared to the normal Maggi. Oh, it has spawns. Okay guys, the Maggi is done. This is what it looks like. It looks very similar to the normal Maggi or the atta Maggi, except that this has mini vegetables including corns, carrots, I guess, onions. So yeah, it's just a little fancy like that. The aroma of the masala is really strong compared to normal Maggi, so I can like smell in like, you know, black pepper and long and all that, you know, Indian spices. Let's go ahead and try this out. It's very hot.
A few minutes later.
The masala is very similar to the atta Maggi, but there's like this weird taste. It's very weird. Yeah, it actually feels like oats. Like, you know, after eating oats, kaisa mouth ho jata hai, waisa types. I think I'll stick with atta Maggi. The taste is almost the same, the taste maker, I guess. But the aftertaste, I'm not liking the aftertaste of this. So, yeah. And plus, this is expensive, more expensive than the atta Maggi. So, rather go for atta Maggi. But it's nice. If you oats pasand hai, then yeah, I think you will like this. But personally, me, I'm not a fan of oats. I can eat oats, but yeah, I'm a fan nahi hu main badi. So yeah, I think I'll rate this like Maggi hai yaar. 7 out of 10, 6.5 out of 10. Yeah. So badly need a haircut. Okay, anyway, what's up, you guys? It's Saturday today, and right now I'm gonna meet my college friend. Some of you might already know her. It's Priya, and we are going Mahavir Nagar. I have no clue what we are gonna do there, and yeah, you get amazing food over there, like you know already. So let's go and see what we can eat, what junk we can eat there. sale season, so I just wanted to purchase some high-waisted denims, some trousers maybe, and basics. So let's see if I find them. Also, I'm sorry for the background noise. I'll see you soon. It's not cute. Also, I filmed a get ready with me. This that you see for my IGTV. So stay tuned. It will come up real soon. Okay guys, for the first time ever, I am on time and my friends are not here. I'm just awkwardly waiting for them. They're still 10 minutes away, so we'll see. 5:10. We'll see if they are here or not. Guys, hey, where is my phone? Okay, wait. अरे जल्दी अबे आना
क्या प्रेशर कुकर किसका है बच्चे
अबे focus no 5:27 we are like 15 minutes late
yeah और लेट होती
guys she is Nikki and she is my new BFF get used to her face
चालू है
Guys, and this is women's. Like you can see, they want us all to be like see-through. That's why go to men's and get their men's tea. Tip of the day.
Have you ever been depressed in life and want to look like grass? Fear no more. We have grass pants.
That's a nice bag you got there.
I can fit my whole love life inside this bag.
Okay guys, so we came to this place called DIY, Mr. DIY something, and they have the cheapest stuff ever. This is like my new favorite compared to, like, we were supposed to go Miniso, but then I was like, let's check this out, and I'm already going crazy with stationery and everything. So yeah, you're gonna see the haul when I reach home. 270 for this one. My god. And then they have all this also, which you find in AliExpress for like 60-70 rupees, and here it is 89. Not bad at all. You also have tiaras and other hair accessories, clips, bobby pins. Bobby pins is for 33 rupees. You also have fake hair. There's also pink one right there. And sponges is for 200. Face cleaning sponge, 95 rupees. What's this? Oh, with a stand, 135. All the hair accessories are here, guys. All of it. Scrunchies, yeah, 27 rupees. Pasted ones for 29 rupees. 29 only. What? Hey, this is so cute. Hair tie, 47 rupees. 230 rupees. 230. Such cute chappals. Guys, they have this Pinterest friendly round mirror for 690 here. I so badly wanna get it. Where to put it? I have no clue, but I so badly wanna get it. All the DIY supplies I have. Not all, most of them. And then there's body lotions and all that. You also have the baskets and the storage solution, everything here. Water bottles, oh my god, I don't need more. I'm not gonna look. Oh my god, this is so cute. Okay, I'm not gonna get it. I don't need it. And then there's baskets and baskets and baskets and baskets and baskets. So many baskets. Oh my god, this is my new favorite store, guys. Forget about Miniso. A lot of stationery, guys. A lot of stationery. All the cute stuff is here, guys. Like amazing frames here, and which are cheap. This is just for 170. This is for 300. It has glass, but I like the painting, but not the black frame. I want it in white, but white mein ye paint hai. And then there is huge frames like that. I like everything here, guys. It's not funny. This bags. And now I'm just looking at all this things which are like unnecessary but still cute. Give thanks with a grateful heart. 550 for this rug, guys. Not bad. It's tiny, but and then you have all this pillows for 350, and then those bum pillows or back pillows. Floor mats, guys. Amazing prints. I like this. Welcome. That was nice. So guys, this is the store that we went to. It's in Infinity. Second floor. Oh yeah, finally we get our pay. Focus on me. Oh yeah. Okay, so guys, we came to Melting Pot so that our friend here who's new, not new exactly, but kind of like, yeah. So we are gonna have our favorite. The way she was sitting. Okay, so we're gonna have our favorite cheese garlic naan, and she's gonna try it out for the first time. We are taking it up as a challenge to pronounce this. I suck at it, obviously. How do you pronounce it? Wow, look. You wanna give it a try? नहीं बस हो गया वो एक बार बोला तूने ब्लॉग में. It's Worcestershire sauce.
Worcestershire sauce.
The fancy like that. Okay, Nikki's gonna try the cheese garlic naan. Just have it like this. Yeah, just have it like that. So guys, I'm back home, and yeah, Mr. DIY is like my new favorite store. I think now every time I go in that mall, Infinity Malad, I think I'll visit that store for sure. It's amazing, and you get amazing things over there for amazing prices, cheap prices. I'll do a separate haul on the things that I got from Mr. DIY, but as of Zara, I'll show you what all I got. First things first, I got this plain white tee from men's section. Men's because women ka it's usually transparent, so I got from men's section for 590 rupees. Then I got this t-shirt. It's almost the same round neck men's tee. I love the color, that's why I got it. And this was for 990. No discount on this. But it's very soft, like the fabric is very soft and amazing. It's basic tee. And then I got this one. This is like a woman's tee. Wait, I'll just put my camera here. So it's like a basic tee, women's, in like this gray color. I don't have a t-shirt in this color. I just found it to be like new, so got that. Price for this was 790. And the last top that I got from Zara is this. It's a plain black spaghetti top. Wait. So this is what it looks like. It has net around the neck and v-neck, and I got this one for 590, I believe. Yup. None of these were on discount, so I just got it. But yeah, there's discount going on. I actually went to Zara for like high-waisted denims and I couldn't find my size, and the ones that I found weren't that interesting, so I didn't get any. Planning to visit H&M soon. Let's see if that happens because there's sale over there as well. But I'm not sure. Like I'm not a fan of H&M that much, so we'll see. But yeah, this is pretty much it. My ponytail is all messed up thanks to the wow rickshaws. And yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys in my next vlog now. Don't forget to. I look cute, right? I think I'm digging this hairstyle and I might just do it more. Comment down below and let me know if you feel the same. And yeah, that's it for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to work hard, be kind, and stay positive. And yeah, also comment down below and let me know if you have ever purchased from Mr. DIY and which store should I visit in sale, because I'm planning to go to the mall again, maybe. Don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up if you like watching my vlogs. Please do that, it's free. And also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'll see you guys in my next video now. Bye.